Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick way to download Valorant Mobile on your iPhone even if it's not available in your country. First, open the App Store, tap your profile at the top and go to Country Region. Change it to China. When it asks, agree to the terms and select None for the payment method. Add any address, it doesn't have to be real, and tap Done. Now your App Store is set to China. Next, search for WeChat and install it, then search for Valorant Mobile and install that too. Open WeChat and make an account with your name, phone number, and password, then verify it. After that, open Valorant, download the extra files, and log in with your WeChat account. And that's it, you can now play Valorant Mobile on your iPhone from anywhere. If this helped, don't forget to like and follow for more guides. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.